If you are wondering how to remove the vicious circle of bad karma of past life experiences, the law of connection can help you with this. This law emphasizes the relationship between our past, present, and future, and reminds us that our control over the present and the future helps us to get rid of the bad karma of the past, whether from our current life or a previous life. Another point mentioned by the law of connection is that it takes time to correct bad karmas from the past. But every little step can have unexpectedly powerful effects. Therefore, all your actions, no matter how unimportant, affect you and your surroundings. Simply put, you need to take care of the little things too, so that other things come into your life. You need to remember that all tasks, first, middle, or last, are important to achieve your goals. Who you are today results from your previous actions, and who you will be tomorrow will result from your actions today. We are all interdependent. Everything you have experienced before makes you who you are today, and that affects who you are tomorrow. This includes what you did and the people you interacted with. Our interaction with others also affects their lives. Key takeaway: present karma heals previous karma.